Hey guys, today I will tell you how to convert a mat file, that is the MATLAB file, into Excel file. Okay, it's very easy. You just need to put your mat file which you want to convert into the Excel file in here in the current directory as I did. Okay, the name of the mat file is simple mat underscore file, just for demonstration purpose. You just need to write load, okay, name of your file. Don't forget the extension. Okay, just put the terminator here. Okay, so now we loaded the file. Okay, as you can see here, this is the variable val. Okay, now write down this function csv write. Okay, and give any name, suppose my Excel file. Okay, don't forget the extension. Now we want the data of val. Simple. Okay, the file created in the current directory with the same name which you just gave. Okay, so now let me verify that the content of both the files, that is the mat file and the Excel file you created, are same. As you can see here, -83, -78, -86, like that. Okay, now if I open it outside MATLAB, basically through MS Office, so as you can see here, -83, -78, -86. So I just verified the content and there is no discrepancy here at all. So that is how we convert our mat file into the Excel file. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Bye.